Okay, so we're out flying today, and so your name is?
Captain Foster.
Captain Foster is just checking on the guys that are flying drones, and we have all our permissions in place. So just a warning to the guys that are unlicensed drone pilots, make sure that you are licensed.
Yeah, we're not just that, it's also for COVID, permission for COVID.
Yeah. So have you had any people that have been going around illegally?
Yeah, but people have been told to go home. If we catch someone and sent home, if they've got no valid reason, then they should be detained. That's the instruction we got.
I know the story of your life.
We have to go just to get a little bit more permissions to be able to film police. So we're just coming here to the Berea police station to chat to them and see what they have to say. I don't think it should be a problem. There's a big roadblock just on the main road coming into Durban, and it'll be quite an interesting drone shot if you can get it.
Doing pre-flight checks on the drone and just doing a quick safety check, and then we're going to take off and film the roadblock, the police roadblock coming into Durban. We've got all the approvals from the police station, we saw the station commander, and yeah, let's see how this goes.
That was a bit of a joke. We went all the way to the police station to get permissions, and then the roadblock is gone, so wasted our time basically. But it just shows that there's a presence of police that stopped us and asked us for permits. So it's definitely important to have your permits and all your files when you come out, if you come out.
Still alive. So let's go back.